Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Monday, August the 31st. Well, a red-bodied candle today, and that means that the sellers have made net bearish progress on the day, but it's a spinning top type candle. The body is fairly large though, but we have a large shadow on the top and the bottom, and a fairly indecisive candle. Now the candle has closed at the mid-range level, which means that it's a very indecisive candle, and neither side has taken control of this market, neither the bulls nor the bears, regardless of the fact that the candle is red. Now the close is below the previous close, which means that on the day the sellers were keener, but they weren't able to establish control of this market. Although they did establish a new first time frame downtrend. We have a lower high and a lower low. Now, the problem for the bulls and the bears with this market is that we have strong resistance overhead and we have strong support down below. And we can see the shadows here, all of this trading that's taken place in this shaded area, this yellow shaded area, that the market's tried to trade up into that area and it's been sold off. Trading up here, sold off, trading up, sold off, trading up, sold off, trading up, sold off, trading up, and sold off partially. And the market is now trading outside of that area. But looking at the cloud, the Kumo here, the cloud is holding as a very strong area of support. And we know that the cloud does tend to contain price action. And we can see here all of the shadows from the penetrations into and around the top of the cloud or the Kumo. Here we have support here. Support, 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 support. Upside price rejection when the market tried to trade down into there. So a range-bound market. In reality, though, we do have a second time frame uptrend here with a series of higher peaks and higher troughs, but the upside will basically be limited by this resistance area and limited by the area around the cloud here. Now, a few other things to note. We have a flat Kijun-sen, and when that turns flat, it means that the market is in equilibrium in that time frame, and that reflects this bigger picture congestion that's going on here. Also, we noted previously that when a market breaks out of a flat Kumo, when the Kumo or the cloud is flat and the market breaks out, we can get false breakouts, and the market quite often doesn't tend to go on with it. And we can see here that we had an indecisive candle. It wasn't a very bullish candle when the market broke out, and now we've had selling coming in as the market trading into this resistance zone. The market's trading up above here on another indecisive candle. So this market can go either way. We need to be patient and see how it develops. Potentially we could trade up above 971. There is potential for that to happen. And if we do that, then the market will most likely rally up to 1,000. The market could break out down below the cloud. There is potential for that to happen. But before either of these scenarios come to fruition, the market will need to do quite a bit of work to set itself up to do that.